How do cells become organs? Anatomy's levels explained. Have you ever wondered how tiny cells come together to form the organs that keep us alive? It's a fascinating journey that starts at the very basic level of life. Let's break it down step by step. Cells are the smallest units of life. Each cell is surrounded by a membrane and contains a nucleus that holds genetic material. This genetic material directs what the cell does. Inside the cell, there are organelles that perform specific tasks necessary for the cell's survival and function. When cells share similar structures and functions, they group together to form tissues. There are four main types of tissues in the human body. Epithelial tissue covers surfaces, connective tissue provides support and structure, muscle tissue enables movement, and nervous tissue is responsible for signal transmission. Once tissues are formed, they come together to create organs. An organ is made up of at least two different types of tissues working together to perform specific functions. For example, the heart is an organ that consists of muscle tissue to pump blood, connective tissue for support, and nervous tissue to regulate the heartbeat. This process of forming organs is known as organogenesis, and it begins during embryonic development. In the early stages of development, pluripotent stem cells in the embryo differentiate into three primary germ layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. Each layer develops into specific tissues and organs. The ectoderm forms the nervous system and skin. The mesoderm develops into muscles, bones, and the circulatory system, while the endoderm gives rise to internal organs like the lungs and digestive tract. During organogenesis, cells receive signals that guide their division, migration, and specialization. Groups of cells organize into tissues, which then assemble into rudimentary organs. The embryo undergoes folding and shaping to position these organs correctly within the body. This entire process is tightly regulated to ensure that development occurs correctly. Understanding the levels of organization from cells to tissues to organs is essential in anatomy. It helps explain how complex body systems are built from simple units. This knowledge is vital for understanding how organs function both individually and as part of larger systems. It also provides a foundation for studying developmental biology and medical conditions that can arise when these processes are disrupted. So, the next time you think about how cells become organs, remember that it is a remarkable journey that showcases the beauty of human anatomy and physiology.